Question 2 in 2023 is a circle question. S is the circle, x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. And if you have knowledge about a circle, x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared is a circle with center 0, 0 and radius r. So this one has center 0, 0. R squared will be equal to 25, so the radius will be 5. To show that the point 3 minus 4 is on the circle, 3 squared plus minus 4 squared equals 25. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. 25 equals 25. Therefore, it's on the circle. I'm going to write that down. Therefore, on S. 2 other points, so they're kind of leading you into this question with the previous part. So any 3's and 4's squared will give 25. So the point minus 3 minus 4 will be on the circle, as will the point 3, 4, and any other versions of 3 and 4. When both squared will give 9 and 16, or 4 and 3. 4 and 3 will be on the circle too. So that's the first part of question 2. The second part is tricky enough for ordinary level simultaneous equation questions where one of them is not linear, so we have to substitute. So on the first equation, you could write 5x is equal to y plus 13. Or you could write y is equal to 5x minus 13. The top line would give you x is equal to y plus 13 over 5. And if we want to square that, which we're going to have to do, it's a little bit trickier than squaring this guy here. So we want to substitute y squared for something in terms of x. So y squared will be 5x minus 13 squared. If you multiply this out, you'll get 25x squared. 5x by minus 13 minus 65x twice, and then plus 13 by 13 is 169. That's the y squared. I also have x squared plus this whole thing, x squared plus y squared is equal to 13. So I'll bring the 13 across and let it equal 0, and now I'll get a quadratic, because with this question we have a circle with a line. We're going to find 2 points of intersection. So we have 26x squared minus 130x plus 156 equals 0. When you get a coefficient of x squared, check and see are all terms divisible by it, and they are in this case. X squared, 26 divided by 26, 130 divided by 26. Show the examiner what you're doing. And then plus 6 26's is 156. Now you have to factorize. X by x is x squared. 3 by 2 is 6, or 5 by 1 is 6. We can get to the answer pretty quick. We want minus 5x and plus 6x, so they both have to be minuses. So it's going to have to be a minus 3 and a minus 2. X squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. So my solutions are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. So now I got to find out what y is. So when x is 3, y is 5x minus 13. Y is equal to 5x minus 13. 15 minus 13 is 2. So one of the points of intersection is 3, 2. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5 times 2 minus 13. Your calculator will do this for you, but 10 minus 13 is minus 3. So the other solution is when x is 2, y is minus 3.